Have you ever wondered if you can create cartoon-like animation in PowerPoint? Animations that look smooth, natural, and almost like a real cartoon scene. In today's video, I will show you a complete cartoon animation using only PowerPoint. By the end of this video, you will be able to turn simple images into a live animated scene. So, let's begin. First, go to Insert, then click on Pictures and insert all the images from your device. The background, house, trees, bench, street light and cartoon boy and girl. Now, adjust and place all these images in their correct position to create a proper scene. You can download or create these images easily from the internet. Now, comes the fun part, animation. First, select the background image, go to the Animation tab, apply the fade animation, and increase the duration so the background appears smoothly. Next, let's animate the object one by one. Select the house, go to More Entrance Effect, and apply Float Up. Select the street light, apply the wipe animation. Select the tree, and again apply the wipe animation. Select the bench, apply the fade animation. Select the second bench and apply fade again. This creates a natural scene building effect. Now, insert a bird GIF. Click on Color, then select Set Transparent Color to remove the background. If you want this GIF, you will find the download link in the description. Duplicate the bird and make the second one a little smaller. Now, go to Animation, apply Custom Path. In Effect option, select Curve. Open Effect option and set Smooth Start 0 and Smooth End 0. Go to Timing, set duration 5 seconds very slow and repeat until end of slide. Now, select the bird. Use Animation Painter to apply the same animation to the second bird. Set it to start with previous and adjust the duration slightly. Next, select the cartoon girl. Go to More Entrance Effect and apply Fly In. Click Add Animation. Go to More Emphasis Effect and apply Titter. In Timing, select after previous, duration 2 seconds and repeat until end of slide. Now, add another animation. Click Add Animation, apply Grow Shrink. Set custom size to 105%, then click Enter. Enable Auto Reverse. Set with previous, repeat until end of slide. Now, click on Animation Painter and apply all this animation to the cartoon boy. Open the animation pane. Adjust the boy's flying animation to start with previous with a 5-second delay. Align the titter animation of both characters. Select both the boy and girl. Click Add Animation. Go to More Exit Effect and apply Fly Out. Set Start after previous and increase the delay by 2 seconds. Now, click on Slideshow and preview your animation. Your cartoon scene is now fully animated and alive. So, this is how you can create a complete cartoon animation in PowerPoint using simple images and smart animation effect with the right timing and creativity. PowerPoint can do much more than just presentation. If this video helped you, like this video, subscribe to the channel for more PowerPoint animation and design tutorials, and comment below to tell me what kind of animation you want to learn next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.